Hello, friends. Going on vacation soon? Please do yourself a favor. Most people have smartphones or iPhones or similar phones. When you go to the airport or anywhere else where you're checking in the luggage, please take many explicit pictures of your suitcase. Do your suitcase as a whole, the suitcase maybe when you finish packing it, the suitcase with a label with your name on it. And when you're at the airport, when they're weighing in the luggage and put this tag on, take a picture of the suitcase with that tag. If possible, get a picture or even film them weighing it and showing what the weight of the suitcase is when you're weighing it in. If possible, a picture of yourself and the suitcase and that tag clearly visible. There are many advantages. Firstly, if it gets lost, it's easy to prove it. And no lies, there is a scam going around now where what happens, an innocent person puts their suitcase in, a crooked person working at the airport removes the tag from the suitcase with the innocent passenger's name and attaches it to another suitcase with drugs or something else illegal. And if customs or anyone at the airport catches hold of that suitcase before it's being picked up, they won't catch the real crook because it's someone else's name is on it, and you will be the one who will look guilty and will be detained. And it has caused terrible problems for many people, innocent people who've had their labels switched to other suitcases. So please make sure there's no ifs or buts or maybes. That name is with that suitcase and tag is with you. My friends, as always, I want to keep you safe. Thank you.